activity, and from a female's perspective, safety is definitely far more important. Unfortunately, you're in a country like India, and it's a dilemma that one way we say Goddess Lakshmi is a female, right? And the other way, we have so many rape cases, so much of molestation that keeps on happening, harassing that keeps on happening, from not only from a workplace point of view, but from a domestic point of view as well, from a road point of view as well. So every way, security is very, very important. And I'm glad that you're over here. You're going to tell everyone exactly how to safeguard yourselves from very basic things of when you're walking on the road, or which side of the handbag you should be carrying your handbag, and what kind of threats you would be occurring. How do you keep gears in your mind always on the time so that you're always safe from very basic steps. So I would want you to be telling every single person over here, making them understand security is not about when it happens. Then you become vigilant and look at things. But from a very perspective, if you're already aware of what could happen and take necessary steps, I think a lot of things could be avoided. Very basic things of lewd comments, or the way people approach, the way people look, and the way molestation happenings, groping happenings, all those can be reduced drastically.
Okay, very well said, Rahul. So let me ask the question to audience first, including you. And all the audience who are watching us, you have to put your answers here so that I can reply and we can take up these scenarios, because without knowing the attacks, it will be very difficult to take care of your defense. Okay, so first question, like, how many of you have attended ever the self-defense workshop during the COVID, which is online or maybe in physical? The second question, like, have you ever felt unsafe while maybe boarding into metro, going in a cab, or maybe walking on the street, maybe running, jogging, and doing day-to-day things, maybe going to the sabji market, or maybe in a metro station, maybe sitting in a cafe, going to a party and pub? How many of you ever felt or have any experience that somebody is following you? Maybe I would say, as Rahul, you said, lewd comments. पीछे से किसी ने आपको आवाज दी, गाना गाया, जैसे आपको देख के गाना गा रहे हैं. Then maybe grouping अगर हुआ बहुत closely, किसी ने आपको पकड़ लिया. Maybe stalking तो ये है कि many people, they will stalk you for months and months before they attack you in real. And then molestation बहुत ही extreme चली जाती है, but yeah, many young girls, the college girls, everybody go through this small thing. तो जैसे आपने बोला था, women or we living in this metropolitan city, which is NCR or Gurgaon we talk about, or Delhi, people feel very unsafe while traveling. खासकर जो parents होते हैं, राहुल, parents को बहुत ही unsafe लगता है जब उनकी young daughter घर से बाहर जाती है, और till the time she comes back, even the wife and the sister, till she comes back at home safely, तब जाके एक चैन आता है, oh my god, मैं finally घर, हमारे बच्चे पहुंच गए, खासकर लड़की के बारे में. And so I think great that GC Xavier has taken up this initiative, teaching and learning the few tactics of self-defense. So we will be doing few practice and the practical scenarios, but will not be too much, because without seeing girls, without knowing who's watching us, it's very difficult to do the tactics and practice while you're sitting at home. So Rahul, let's see if there is any comments. Maybe Shruti, if you are there, or Preet, if you're there, maybe I would like to see your comments, that what you have thought, and why you conducting this live session for self-defense, which is need of the hour, and that's also virtual. So let's see if somebody writes the comments. Rahul, if you can just repeat.
Yeah, I would request everyone to come out and have some comments over this point, because see, it's actually for the benefit for everyone who's attending this, because it is a day-to-day activity which is happening. It could be anything which is happening to you all, and if you can come up front, speak about it. Maybe we have certain solutions which are beneficial for the short term as well as for the long term. So I would request everyone to please make some comments, talk about it, because everyone knows that this is an ongoing activity which is happening on a day-to-day basis. So the more you speak about it, the more voices are there to it, the better it is for the entire society and people to accept it that whatever is happening is absolutely not correct and it is very, very wrong.
I can see Rahul Rajiv Mathur, our best friend, is also with us. And hey Rajiv, if you can hear me out, or Rahul, then why don't you put your comments and ask your question, because you've been seeing us what we do. So why don't you write your question that so accordingly, I will pick up this scenario. And yeah, Rajendra, thanks very much saying super. But my question again remains the same, that if somebody ever felt unsafe, even nowadays, Rahul, that we all are working from home. So वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम में हमें जो सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी है वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट टाइप की होगी. जब पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि चोरियां काफी सारी हो रही हैं, एंड बिकॉज लैक ऑफ इट्स लैक ऑफ लाइक एम्प्लॉयमेंट, लोग खाली बैठे हैं, तो काफी सारे इंसिडेंट अभी मैंने रिसेंटली सुने थे. आई वाज सिटिंग, आई थिंक हम लोग कल जब इकट्ठे बैठे थे इधर पुलिस स्टेशन पे. सो द रिसेंट केस व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड that आप सड़क पे जा, so I'll give you the scenario कि आप सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक में जाते हैं. Okay, let me ask you, राहुल, जब आप सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक में जाते हैं रन करने, you have a mobile with you?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
So where do you run? Suppose there's a running road, ट्रैफिक है, एक हमारी लेफ्ट साइड पे सड़क होती है, एक राइट साइड पे सड़क होती है. तो नॉर्मली आप जब रन करते हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट हम लेफ्ट पे भागते हैं कि राइट पे भागते हैं. So there are two way traffic, one is the road like this left and one is the other side of the traffic जो सामने से. So एक लेफ्ट साइड का ट्रैफिक है और एक राइट का है. So where would you run? Suppose आपको सड़क पे भागना पड़े.
So the rule actually which is said always is like left, right, left. So normally everyone, whichever direction they are moving, will always run in that same direction. But if you're intelligent enough, right, you should actually be running in the opposite direction against the traffic, so that it can be reduced.
Okay, fine.
But the normal tendency is everyone, because that's how you've been taught since when you're born, as to left, right, and left. So with the way the movement that you're always having is always from the left side that you run across.
So yeah, but I think most of us, I think everybody, by default, it's like tuned up कि जब आप सड़क पे चलते हैं तो आपको लेफ्ट पे चलना है, right? So I want to give you right. So normally मैंने अभी जो latest scenario हुआ था with one of my friend's husband, he's a runner, right? So he was running, like I'll just show you. So suppose this is your left hand side road, that's a left side road, and normally you run this side, so you have a traffic coming from your back, right? Do you relate? Can you relate, Rahul? Suppose when you walk.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Yeah.
So we walk on the road like this. Even when we are running, we are very habitual. We are doing like this, right? So my hand is exposed towards the right hand side, and my phone is like here. So what happened? He has this, that runner's like pouch. So he was like this, and then he's running like this. So because it was left hand side, so from the back there's a biker coming like this. So for the biker, do you think it's a very easy target? Your phone would be like, your phone is like this, which is on the right hand side. So my hand is like this, my phone is like this, and the biker is also coming this way. So if I'm on the bike, do you think he can snatch your phone and run away?
Yes, it is actually a low hanging fruit which can be easily snatched.
Okay, right. So you said if we walk on the left hand side, and if my phone is this way, so anybody who's coming from my back can take my phone away. That's easy target. So hey, guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen, whenever you walk, as Rahul said, forget about left and right. और pedalist normally होता है कि जो पैदल चलने वाले होते हैं वो लेफ्ट पे चलते हैं. लेफ्ट का मतलब है जब आप चल रहे हैं ट्रैफिक आपके पीछे से आ रहा है. So when you walking, or running, you have a bikers, you have a car coming from your back, anybody can snatch your chain. मॉर्निंग वॉक्स में आजकल चेन स्नैचिंग बहुत हो रहा है, क्योंकि जब आप सड़क पे सभी लोग फिटनेस फ्रीक हो गए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना, everybody started running, started walking. So I've seen old like moms and all, उनको नहीं पता होता, वो अपनी सुबह उठते अपनी चेन पहना और रन पे या वॉक पे निकल जाते हैं. इवन नॉट ऑन द रोड राहुल, गलियां जो होती हैं, जो हमारे हाउसेस बने होते हैं, उनके भी जो गली होती है घर के पास, अभी ऐसा हुआ है कि मोहल्ले के अंदर ही आप अपने नॉर्मल सोच के कि आप अपनी सोसाइटी में हैं, आप जा रहे हैं, but then when you're not alert, see if I'm walking and talking on the road, my attention is not there. That is called situational awareness. Means I'm not aware of the situation, what's happening around me. I'm busy on my phone and I'm talking. So you become the easy target, isn't it? Now tell me, if I'm walking on the road, okay, now suppose you're an attacker and I'm a girl, right? I'm very carefree, and maybe there's a stalker who's been keeping watch on me, that she's the girl, she always walk on the road like this, she's very casual. So suppose I am like that, maybe the stalker been following me for many months. One fine day he sees me that I'm in a very isolation, or maybe it's a dark patch, or maybe late in the evening, and see my body posture. So I'm walking, normally ladies, they have a purse like this, so the purse is like this, and I'm talking and roaming on the road, and this is my left hand side. Imagine this is my left hand side, and nowadays the girls, they carry their bag like this. So Rahul, what you say as a snatcher, what do you find my bag is the easy target for you to snatch?
Yes, you are an easy bait for me. I can easily snatch and move ahead.
Exactly.
Because it is on your left hand side.
Right. So hey, if all of you are watching, just with a simple thing, for an attacker, I have become vulnerable. Means he is looking for an easy target. Now if somebody takes my bag away, मेरे बैग में जिंदगी है. I think girls की बैग में राहुल चाबी भी होती है. Even I think for that matter, as I said, my male friend, his phone has been taken away. Imagine 6:30 in the morning, he is a runner, he was running, and you know what happened when he started following those people? They were on the bike, and because he was a runner, so he started following them. And on the bike, the one guy, you know what he did? He turned back and he showed his gun. Just stop running. So can you imagine, the boys are also not safe? Can you relate this situation with me, Rahul? Suppose you're running,
yes.
I'm on the bike,
yes.
I took your mobile away, and if you're running and chasing me, I will show this and say, get lost. So
yeah, I will definitely stop then and there only.
Okay. So what's the solution you would do? What will you do next time? What will you do? What remedy you will follow?
So next time is, instead of keeping the phone on the right arm when I'm running, I would put it across to my left arm. See, because it's very important to understand the period of these things happening is a very short period. So let's say, because morning runs happen early morning. So, so the window that these people have is very, very short. So they will never try to waste time on anyone where it is difficult. So just by moving this phone from a right hand side towards the left hand side, higher chances he is safe, because one, these guys have less time. Two, they will always look at easy baits, and they would always be more easy baits. So just by this small thing, if you do, you're safe and sound.
Great. All right. Then I tell you another scenario. Now with the same situation, Rahul, if I'm a girl and the stalking, the kidnapping, how the kidnapping can take place. So again, I'm the same girl. I'm in the car. I'm walking. Now, do you think from my back any car can come, stop, and drag me inside the vehicle?
Very easy. Before you know, you're already there and you're already unconscious.
So Rahul, that is called moving car rape or molestation. Many times it happened in our history, in our previous incident, which if we talk about that Dhola Kuan, that the case where the moving car, they raped her, they kidnapped her, and then there was no target. It's just they found two girls walking on the road. So because normally we have a human tendency, if I have my friend with me, I would choose not to be careful. मुझे लगेगा मेरे साथ तो मेरी फ्रेंड है, मुझे बचा लेगी, and then I will be very casual on the road while walking and doing activities. So never be a easy target, so that people can drag you inside the vehicle, snatch. See, any vehicle coming from your back, wherever you're going, just forget about left and right. Always think about it. When you're on the road, you should see vehicle coming from your face, I mean towards you. You should, as Rahul said, opposite side of wrong direction. Wrong in the sense कि जब आप चल रहे हैं, for example, if I'm walking like this, the vehicle should come from the front. I mean, I should face the vehicle. So I'm walking and I can see the vehicle coming from my face. Then I'm walking and the vehicle coming from my back. It always facing the traffic. When you face the traffic, then even if I'm facing the traffic, right? So I'm going like this. If I see a vehicle, I can always go like this. So if I'm going like this, right? And if I see a vehicle stops close to me, or maybe like, you know, for anything, so I can take. So whenever you take a step back, so whenever you walk, always keep a hand distance. So Rahul, if we are walking other side of the road, which is the wrong, as you said, the opposite side of the traffic, facing the traffic. Now tell me, where should be my bag? Which hand? Earlier I showed you, if my bag is on my right hand and the vehicle is coming from the back, it's an easy target. And I've changed I've crossed the road, right? So I was here, this was the left hand side. Now I have to go other side of the traffic. So I cross the road. Now where should I keep my bag? Because the vehicles are coming from here.
So when you're at the opposite direction, your bag has to always be on the right hand.
Okay, so you mean to say this hand should be the bag because I have a vehicle coming? It will be easy.
No. Opposite the right side. Yes.
Okay. So you mean to say the hand which is facing to traffic should always be empty, right? So that
it should always.
If I see the vehicle, I can stop. Had it been I have a bag here and I see the vehicle, then again I'm gone. So always remember, even if you're walking on the left hand side, suppose you have to walk on left hand side and you have a vehicle coming from your back, try to keep bag your other hand. So this hand should be empty, means whatever way you're walking, the hand which face to the traffic, suppose this hand facing to the traffic means traffic are coming and going by, always empty so that you can flow. And then now suppose my bag is here and I have a kidnapper or somebody from my back stop me here. So I'll just show you, all the girls, please watch. So if you're here, if somebody hold me from here, so this hand was empty, I bring my back hand here on my back and then I use this as a 360-degree defense. My back can work as a defense tool. Rahul, you got it?
Right.
If you can explain once again, like if you understood, probably you can repeat. The hand which should be exposed to the traffic, always empty so that I can attack.
Right. So when you are walking, idealistically, you should always walk on the opposite side, and so that you can see the traffic. There is no one who can attack you from behind because you're actually seeing everything from front. Your right hand side, your left hand side should always be empty, so that if there is an attack that happens, you can easily go by the 360 direction. And if any of these things happen also, you can still safeguard yourself.
I can see the comments on my left hand side. I can't see your comments. Rahul, can you see comments?
I can't see any comments.
I can see left hand side there are few comments from my Facebook page, not from the GC. Just send me on the messenger so that I can reply. All right. Let me see if we see the comments.
So these are very small things, yeah.
All right. I can't see any questions, so let me take few questions which Shruti is sending me. And thanks, Shruti, once again for organizing this session, which is online. Since it's a technology, so sometimes it does not behave the way we want, Rahul. I have my girl to support me. So Rahul, you have any question to ask? If you can see any question, I can't see any comments on my page here. Let me see.
I can't see any question, but I will shoot a question on behalf of everyone, and I probably females should be asking these questions. Anyhow, I will only ask these questions. So
Yeah,
what should
okay.
be the best steps taken when I board a bus? Let's say, for example, I am boarding the bus. कोई भी बस मान लीजिए जो चल रही है, कोई भी नंबर मान लीजिए, हम 513 चलते हैं, हम क्या कहते हैं, आनंद विहार से, और हम चलते हैं बदरपुर के लिए, तो 413 नंबर बस में मैं चलता हूँ. Why I'm saying this is because बस अड्डा है, तो बस अड्डा यानी कि ऑब्वियसली ऐसे लोग बहुत मौजूद होते हैं जो कि मौका ढूंढते हैं, चेन स्नैचिंग है, मार पिटाई है, वो रूट के हिसाब से. इसलिए तो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल वो बस अड्डे से मैं चढ़ रहा हूँ, 413 बस नंबर है. What steps should I take so that I can be safeguarding myself? Very basic steps.
See, as I said, the bus is a normal bus, right? And so it depends, like, because bus may, if you have a ladies, I mean, this is for male and female, or this is for all? Okay,
for all.
Since we're talking, okay, so see, for male, I would say never, suppose you're standing in a, so first of all, if it's a crowded bus, you always watch your wallet. Never keep your wallet at the back pocket, always try to keep it front, so that you can safeguard that from the pickpocketing. And so male, I think there's nothing much threatening is then your pocket, so you have to be very, very careful about your money. Always try to keep it, don't keep any valuable things at your back pocket, keep it front pocket. And the second thing for the women, I'll show you normally what happens with the girls. So normally for the girls, what happens, that suppose you are standing here, and then the person trying to brush his body at your back. So there's a very simple way, obviously you can't fight, so normally all the girls, like you can always have safety pins hanging here, maybe a pencil, always carry some tool, maybe pencil. So suppose there's a pencil you carry, or some key or something you carry, so try to make the space, instead of, see, normally we stand like this to protect ourselves, Anapuja, and somebody is, so suppose there's a man behind me, like I'm standing in the bus and he's just touching my body. Suppose he's standing here, so normally I would stand like this. So try to make a space and try to stand like this, so that you can use your elbow, and then I'll show you the foot, how to use your foot. So suppose he's standing just behind you, try to put your foot on his, and then be here. But it's a very tricky, Rahul, because unless you have a scenario and 2-3 people in the bus, but only thing I would say that whenever you carry your bag, try to have some safety pins here. If you're boarding in a crowded bus, have some sharp, like maybe pencil or something, so that if he's close to me, he's trying to, so I can just use my pencil and then be here. Instead of doing like this, it's all about body language. The minute I'm like this, I'm gone. So you have to be like this, make your own space. So this elbow, suppose there's a crowded bus. For example, this is the bus, I'm standing here, and there's a man brushing his body. So I would try to stand and then use my elbow to push him back. And also my body language will be very strong, then like this. So it's all about your body language, because they are looking for a weak target. And if somebody is really very nasty, then you have a right as a woman, right? You can tell the driver, stop the car there and then, and you have a right as the woman, right? The driver is supposed to stop the car or take that car straight away to the police station in case there's a molestation going on. That's the woman right, you should know. So बस में आप इससे ज्यादा कुछ और नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज अगर आप गुस्से में थप्पड़ मारोगे या कुछ करोगे तो probably things will turn back to you. So you have to be very smart enough how to use your body and be very vigilant. That's what I would say. Does it make clear to your is it clear to you?
Yes, yes, it's very clear, and yeah, it's an appropriate answer. And I think very basic steps. Men also forget it. They always keep everything tucked up behind the behind.
Yeah,
So they
because
should keep it
normally
in the
men
front
think
pocket.
nothing will happen. Okay, now I have a question, Rahul, here, which Shruti has sent me. Dinesh is saying prevention is better than cure. If you are regular walker on some particular place, then locate CCTV and other guards nearby and do your walk. If you don't see CCTV people around, then avoid that. Yeah, Dinesh, you are rightly said the thing. When I said situational awareness, you should be aware where you're running, what you're doing. Because if you're not aware, see, if you're going for a run in a jungle or in a forest and you're not aware of that exit or entry, you are gone for 6. So you have to be very smart, and every time you can't look for the CCTV camera. That is one option you have, because when you're running, you get carried away. You mostly run in a group or you run solo. So when you run, you don't think this thing that, I'm running and then I have a attacker following me. You just run as in a flow. So you will not look for a camera which is running, because in our city, especially here in our city, we don't have the city planning having cameras on every street. So you have to, when you walk, always try to walk facing the traffic. That's the best possible way, instead of walking on the left hand side. And I'll show you the left hand side. When I said, Dinesh, it means when I'm walking and this is the biker. So when I said left hand side, this is the left hand side, I'm walking and I have a biker coming and then can take my things. When I said facing the traffic means this is the traffic, right? And I'm walking the traffic. I'm walking towards the traffic. Okay. So this is one of the prevention. Now, somebody said, Rahul, Aknesh Kapoor, what is your advice for the best self-defense tactics if someone enters your home threatening your children? How can a child save her when alone, him or her? Okay, so Dinesh, back to you. Who asked this question? Oh my God, there's a wait. Okay, so Akash, I need to give you the first advice. My first question back to you. You can write, how come the person enter in your house? That's very important. So let me tell you how. Because nowadays we all are working from home. We have things going on. Everybody is taken up one bedroom to work from home. Kids' studies are going on, and in the drawing room we have maybe our parents sitting, maybe we have mates, and we women, I mean men and women, or maybe kids. Everybody is busy in their own perspective, maybe studying, maybe working and all. Now I'll give you an example. Bell rings. I'll show you my door. If bell rings, obviously somebody will come inside the home who knows you. Bell bajana, na? Maybe somebody knows you. So only, it can't be random person coming at your home. Somebody who is aware of your entire thing. Maybe the person knows that you're not at home. Maybe the regular courier guy, maybe the regular delivery guy, maybe the regular washerman, or so the known person, known devil is the culprit. So आपके जितने लोग आपको जानते हैं वही आपको अटैकर करते हैं. Your trustworthy people, maybe ड्राइवर जो रोज रेगुलर सफाई के लिए आता है, anybody who's been coming to your house, the regular, जिसको आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, जिसको आपके घर के बारे में पता है, वही तो अटैक करेगा. चोर ही अटैक करेगा. And now अटैक कैसे होगा? I'll tell you. Now you see the bell ring and now we are multitasker. ठीक है, मैं फोन पे बिजी हूँ और मे बी मेरी बॉस से कॉल चल रही है, मेरा ऑनलाइन जूम कॉल चल रहा है, और मे बी आई एम टेकिंग द सेशन. आई हैव माय सब्जी वाला और धोबी somebody at door. Now I go there. So if you see the bell ring. Now there's a pizza delivery guy. I'm on the phone. I'm busy. Now I open the door. I said, कितने पैसे? 250. Okay, मैं पैसे लेके आती हूँ. Because I was busy. I have my attention. Okay, रुको. पैसे, because I knew this guy has been coming, could be anybody. And now see, this is the attack. Now there's a knife. Now I was on phone and I said कि मैं पैसे लेके आती हूँ. Now see, all of a sudden this attack happened. I opened the door. So attacker came because I opened the door. Now see, there's a knife. Now there's a knife attack and he's saying, "Oh, give me the money." Right? So give me the money. This is the situation. Now when you have a knife, what will you do? Sorry, my cat. So when what will you do if I have the attack like this? This is my knife. So simply you say, okay, fine. You have to distract him. Okay, what you want? Because kids, you need to understand why somebody will attack your kid. You have invited somebody home because he was there to deliver the pizza. You turned back without closing the door, and then you are like this. You are the hostess. Now this is too close attack. You can't do much about it. So if you're intelligent, obviously kids will not be able to do, but yeah, you have to ensure who's opening the door. So you have to always, if you, like suppose it's you, any elder people, so you have to say, okay, fine, okay, distract him while talking what you want, keep going, try to take him towards the kitchen, right? And when you walk and talk, he will be relaxed, try to take that person towards the kitchen, and you will be like this, okay, fine, and then, so this is my attack. If I turn, I will have a cut. See? So I can't do like this. I can kick because somebody will say, kick maro. No, I can't do much about it. This is the attack. I do like this and then, okay, what you want? Okay, fine, this, that. किचन की तरफ आप गए और झटके से आपने अटैक को नीचे किया फिर आप किचन में भागे. देन किचन में भागने के बाद you have so many things to throw on that person, maybe mirch masala and all. So back to my question, दरवाजे के अंदर आपने दरवाजा खोला, कोई दरवाजा तोड़ के नहीं घुसेगा. So you have to watch it out कि आप जब दरवाजा खोलते हैं तो आपको राइट प्रैक्टिस क्या करना था. So the right practice you have to do when somebody opens the door, you say, okay, कितने पैसे, रुको, आप कुंडी लगाओगे, and then you will turn back. Normally we are multitasker, we are busy, so we would do like this and turn back without locking the door. Okay? So Rahul, does it make sense to you?
Yes, and what you just pointed out is very, very natural. Most of the people do this mistake and everyone's busy on the phone. हाँ, एक मिनट मैं करता हूँ और they turn back. So very basic steps, but very, very important. Just be safe and how you need to follow exactly what you have been saying.
आजकल जो normally हम work from home कर रहे हैं राहुल, कोई पिज्जा डिलीवर करने आ रहा है, कोई सब्जी देने आ रहा है, कोई कपड़े देने आ रहा है. So we are busy, we are doing multitasking. हम लोग फोन पे हैं, हमें जल्दी है. And then suppose you on a, imagine राहुल आपकी बॉस की कॉल आ गई है फोन पे, उधर से आपके बच्चे की स्टडी चल रही है और उधर से मे भी शायद कोई लेडी है उसकी किचन में एक सब्जी जल रही है. So it's a multitasking और उधर से घंटी बजती है. So what will be your reaction राहुल? नॉर्मल बताना, आपका फोन है, आप क्या मतलब आपके दिमाग में रहेगा कि कुंडी लगानी थी मुझे या पैसे लेके जाने थे पहले से?
99% of the times you just get up, go open the door, and you're still subconsciously actually letting him in.
Right. So now somebody will say कि आजकल तो prepaid app है, but prepaid app में भी how many people राहुल has a Paytm? मेरे जैसे लोगों के पास Paytm नहीं है because मेरे साथ Paytm scam हो गया तो मैंने Paytm delete मार दिया because COVID के टाइम पे इतने cyber bullies हुई, इतने cyber crime हुए कि मैंने Paytm. So I also don't have that online paying habit because I am very particular कि मैं मोबाइल से कोई cash transaction नहीं करूँगी. So I try to pay cash. So कितने लोग ऐसे होंगे जो कैश ही लेके ट्रांजैक्शन करते होंगे? ओके, नाउ समबडी राहुल किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, व्हाट शुड आई डू, समबडी फॉलो मी व्हाइल गोइंग टू एन एटीएम सिचुएटेड इन अ सिक्लूडेड प्लेस. सो राहुल आपने कभी कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन फेस किया है कि आप बताओ राहुल, आपके साथ एक ड्राइवर है, कैब में आप बैठे हो एंड यू टॉकिंग टू समबडी ऑन फोन, अरे यार 20,000 रुपए निकालने, एंड आप ड्राइवर को बोल रहे हो, अगेन आई सेड नॉन ड्राइवर को बोल रहे हो गाड़ी रोको, यहाँ पे आप एटीएम पे ड्राइव. देयर आर टू सिचुएशन. आकांक्षा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पेटीएम पे पैसे, आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा पैसे कब निकाल रहे हो। तो राहुल आपने गाड़ी रोकी, आपने ड्राइवर को बोला गाड़ी रोको, उसके सामने आप एटीएम के अंदर गए। देयर टू सिचुएशन, वन दी एटीएम, आप एटीएम पे गए, पैसे निकाले, योर ड्राइवर इज वेटिंग, और गाड़ी में आप आके बैठे और पैसों को आप गिन रहे हो कि आपने 30,000 रुपए निकाल दिया, एंड यू जस्ट पुट दैट कैश इन दी पर्स और मे बी समवेयर। Tell me, Rahul, what will be the reaction of your driver?
See, if the driver is known to me, old for years, no problem. But if the driver is unknown, not very old, and he could be needy, so idealistically, I'm giving him an opportunity to tell him that I have money and he can easily take it from me and run away. So
Great.
first things first,
First
you
thing is
should
the
never.
prevention. Yeah. Yeah,
Please
you
go
rightly
ahead.
said. Yeah, you rightly said prevention is better than cure. So मैंने खुद ही मुसीबत को इनवाइट किया, मैंने खुद ही सबको बताया कि मेरे पास पैसे हैं, आओ लूटो। सेकंड क्वेश्चन आकांक्षा ने लिखा है, जो आकांक्षा का क्वेश्चन है, डू समथिंग फॉलो मी व्हाइल, एज इट सेड व्हाई समबडी विल फॉलो यू टू गो टू एन एटीएम। मैंने पहले बोला था अगर आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहा है तो आप एटीएम में जाओ, पार्लर में जाओ, तो कोई ना कोई तो फॉलो कोई कर रहा है, तो व्हाई वुड यू गो। सिंपल राहुल, अगर आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहा है तो आप जाओगे क्या, मतलब इफ यू नो समबडी इज फॉलोइंग यू, वेयर विल यू गो।
अगर आपको पता चल गया है and you know that someone is following you, so that means you straight away need to go to a safe place. The safe place could be anything. Probably idealistically you should go to towards police station if you know that place. But definitely if you know someone's following you, you should never go to an ATM or never go to a place which is secluded. Walk towards a brighter place, walk towards where there are a lot of people, so that you can be safe and secure if you know that someone's following you.
एंड इवन राहुल, अगर कोई आपको फॉलो करता है, मेरा दूसरा एडवाइस टॉप अप ये होगा कि आप अपने घर पे कभी भी ना जाएं। ऑलवेज व्हेन समबडी इज फॉलोइंग यू, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गो टू हॉस्पिटल, किसी बड़े जैसे पोस्ट पे चले गए, होटल की लॉबी में चले गए, किसी दूसरी सोसाइटी, सपोज आई लिव हियर एंड आई नो मेरी कार को कोई फॉलो कर रहा है, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू योर ओन सोसाइटी, गो सम अदर प्लेसेस, किसी और सोसाइटी में आप एंटर कर जाओ, क्योंकि आज वो आपको फॉलो करके आपका एड्रेस देख लेगा, तो नेक्स्ट डे he will follow you again. So never go to your own place. Try to go to the police station, nearest police station. Try to go inside the hospital. वहाँ पे जाके आप खो जाओ, until as you call the help, then only you come out.
और अगर वो आपको फॉलो करिए,
या मॉल में चले जाओ और उसके बाद आप कॉल करो पुलिस को 1091 और any relative, call for the help, then only come out from that area. Now क्वेश्चन है कि आप ATM और आइसोलेटेड कभी भी नहीं जाना, ऐसे एटीएम पे जाना जो क्वाइट लिटेड है, पॉलिश्ड एरिया में है, गार्ड वहां पे बैठता है, किसी मॉल में है। नेवर गो टू अ प्लेस विच इज नॉट इवन लिट अप, नॉट इवन हैविंग एन लाइट, नॉट इवन हैविंग ए गार्ड, क्योंकि अगर आप एटीएम में हो, इमेजिन अगर आप इनसाइड द एटीएम हो, मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन देती हूँ, और ये पीछे से गन लेके, नाइफ लेके मैंने पैसे निकाले एंड तो ये मेरा एटीएम है, दिस इज माई एटीएम, मैंने पैसे निकाले और मैं टर्न बैक की और पीछे से देयर इज अ अटैकर, राइट, गन, दिस इज नाइफ, अगेन देयर इज अ नाइफ और गन, देयर इज अ अटैकर। सो आई, अब नाउ ही इज सेइंग पैसे दो, ओके ओके मैं पैसे देती हूँ, पैसे, ओके ओके फैक्ट, नाउ देयर इज अ डोर, एटीएम में एक ही डोर है और मेरे हाथ में पैसे, ओके ओके फाइन फाइन फाइन, मैं दे रही हूँ पैसे, पैसे दे रही हूँ, ओके मैं पैसे तो सपोज ये सिचुएशन आती है, ये नाइफ है, ये मेरा पैसे, ओके ओके मैं पैसे दे रही हूँ, ओके ओके एंड देन ट्राई टू रन, ओके, सो यूज योर पर्स, use anything, but then see when you have a knife attack or this attack, you have to be very smart. I'm again saying doing this session means never get into the trouble, because until as you are an expert, क्योंकि जब मुसीबत आती है तो आपका presence of mind totally चला जाता है। तो point we are making, what Rahul said, what I am saying कि आप सिचुएशन में पड़े क्यों, जैसे राहुल ने बोला, आपको किसने बोला है कि आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहा है तो आप एटीएम में जाओ, वो भी सिक्लूडेड से एटीएम में, व्हाई? Never get into a situation where it will be difficult for to do self defense. Thanks Shruti for doing this session, because prevention is better. अटैक तो बाद में आप, क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं ना अटैक कैसे हो रहा है, तो हम आपको जो सिखा रहे हैं आज, idea is to teach you not get into the situation. क्योंकि राहुल जब situation अब आप देखिए, ये knife लेके खड़े हैं मेरे पास, मेरे हाथ में ये पैसे हैं. Now there's a knife. सामने ये राहुल ये knife खड़ा है. Do you think if you're not trained, you'll be able to defend this knife?
Never, never, never.
Right. So what is the point going even when you know somebody is falling? Okay. So Kansha, always remember, whenever somebody is following you, never go inside you, in your home or maybe these places. Now somebody saying,
I would like to add just one sec, Veena. I would like to add a point on this. This is a very valid point what she said, that if people are following you, but most of the time what people do is they always forget that they should always go to an ATM which is actually lit, which is actually not in a secluded place, because I've seen ATMs which are nearby, in a nearby society, and where there is less light, people tend to go, यार घर के पास ही तो वहीं से ले लेंगे, यार वहाँ मार्केट के पास ही वहीं से ले लेंगे, without even looking into much important things where it is not safe. So if people can be just pinpointing those very basic things, all these things can be avoided.
Yeah, absolutely. Now we have so many questions, Rahul, so I think I'll take up another question. Now Shruti is asking, somebody tries to approach you on a street with wrong intention. Shruti, back to the same question. Why left and right? जब भी आप किसी opponent को पीछे से face करोगे, it will be very difficult for you to safeguard yourself. Let me just show you attack. Like there are two ways of attack. So for everybody's information, attack, if anybody is attacking you from the back, rare chances are there to safeguard. But whenever you're facing the attack, that is why we said when you walk on the road, always try to walk other side of the traffic so that you can face somebody coming to you. So I'll give you both the examples. One example, I was going on the left side of the road. Sorry,
these are basic concerns that people have when they are at home, right? Work from home.
Yeah. So now if you see, like, you can't help it. We got used to it that we have kids crying at the back because we have taken the kids' space, not that they have taken our space. We are working, but then you have kids, you have people, you have to manage. So that's the reason Rahul, I said कि जब हम multitasker हो जाते हैं, we really don't know कौन क्या कैसे कर रहा है. तो मैं quickly आना पूजा. तो suppose आपको पीछे से एक attack आया. Okay. So suppose there's an attack from the front, quickly. So there's an attack from the, suppose I was walking on the left hand side, there's an attack from the back. So back से जो attack होगा, I was walking and पीछे से किसने पकड़ा? So this will be the attack from the back side. So what you have to do? So this is the attack, right? So you always do like this. See my foot? I'll go little at the back. So this is my foot. I was standing like this. So I open my legs, make a space, and then I say, okay, what you want? Distracting him. It's okay. Okay, so quickly, we have my friends. So quickly, if somebody holds you, so I was like going like this. Okay? अचानक से कोई पीछे से आया, उसने मुझे पकड़ा. So this is my attack. So what I'll do, I open my leg to make a balance like this. I do like this. Okay, what you want? Fine. Okay, what you want? And then bend like this. Okay, like you do squats. So I bend like this, hold, and then try to take your elbow. Now if I take elbow, he will also move here. So you have to do 1, 2, 3 fast. 1, 2, 3 fast, and then bend more, and then try to bring him down, and then bang, and go. This was at the back. But again, I'll repeat you, always try to face the opponent from the front. Now, whenever you walk, always try to always walk other side of the traffic. So as I was walking and I can see somebody is coming to me. Somebody asked a question, if in case somebody tried to stop you and molest you. So suppose he is here. and somebody has written, how do we know the intention of that person? Obviously you will get to know, because if the person is doing like this, staring at you, staring at your body, you will get to know. And the woman has a sixth sense. They get to know, yes, there is a bad intention. आपको कोई हाथ भी लगाता है, you know the good and bad touch, right? So suppose there's a person who's coming to me from the front attack. Come, he's coming to me now. Why would he come to you very closely? If you're not, see, he will come to you very closely. वो तब होगा जब मैं फोन पे ऐसे बिजी हूँ, and अचानक से अटैक हो. So I was like this. I'm walking on the road, and all of a sudden, somebody's here. I was not aware of the situation, so see, I was like this, and he holds me like this. Now, if there's a close attack, right? I had my phone, so I go like this. So I was like this. He's holding me like this, so I'll do like this, and then this is one. But if I can see, if I'm clever enough, if I see somebody is coming to me, why you have to wait till he attack you? The minute you see somebody is coming to you, so he was coming to me, I can go simply. Now he coming to me, I say stop. So now see, how did I say stop? I was here. Now always remember, always practice. You're standing like this, put your right foot here, left here. Always try to do like you do salsa. Like it's like moving your pelvis. So now attacker is coming. See the attack coming. I block. Now मेरे हाथ कहाँ पे? ये पूरे आपके हाथ. Left goes like this. So I was like this. Punch, attack. So stop. Okay. And my right hand goes and hit him. So it was like attack him. So suppose he attacks you or slap you. I do like this. Block. Okay, one. Now before the second hand comes, I block here. One, or I see what I did. One. Now my hand goes on his nose. See, nose. Poke into the eyes and here. और ज्यादा कुछ है, दोनों उंगली आप नोस्ट्रल में घुसेड़ सकते हो. See. So what I did. 1, 2, and यही वाला हाथ यहाँ आया. यही वाला हाथ यहाँ. So I was like this. 1, 2, 3, and then bring him down and kick. Okay, kick. So I just teach you basic things because it will be very hard to teach you all the things. So very simple things. I give this pepper spray, which is a lipstick pepper spray. If you're not using nowadays, see, I never carry bag. I always have my money inside my mobile pouch, and I carry this whenever I'm going out for a party or something. And this is like a lipstick. I carry here. If I see somebody is coming to me, and then use this. Even if you don't open this pepper spray, I can use as a tool. Always tool like bang, bang, bang. But your body language should be 1, 2. 1, 2. Always. I'll repeat again. You're like this. Right and left. 1, 2. 1, 2. Always practice this. 1, 2. It's like washing clothes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always do like this. And if somebody holds you from back, just try to do जैसे किकली करते हैं डांस. See, it's like this. पूरा आप घूम जाएंगे. Similarly, if somebody in front of you, suppose आपके पास 4-5 अटैकर भी हैं, आपके पास बैग है, अब पूरा, even for guys also, if you have 4 people attacking you, you are in the center, then do like this. Okay, so it's like balancing your body and do like this. You can stop the attack. And if you have knife, then it's very difficult until you're trained. Also, always have some app. Like, so for example, I'm walking on the road. जैसे पहले पूछा था किसी ने कि आप आइसोलेटेड रोड पे हो, अंधेरा हो गया है, you want to create a deterrent. So This is the app which I have designed to protect all of you. It's called MSMR. I write here. Rahul, if you can write, or Shruti, if you can write, it's called MSMR, My Security, My Responsibility. You can Google it, or you can just go to the Play Store, look for a self-defense app. You will find my face logo. It's called MSMR, My Security, My Responsibility. The best feature is creating a deterrent when you see somebody is following you. Before you get into a trap, as Akansha asked, press this button and keep walking. It will create a fear into the people that पुलिस आसपास आ गई है, क्योंकि fear factor is the only remedy. और उसके बाद आप 1091 को डायल करें. पुलिस हेल्पलाइन इज 1091. दैट इज द प्रिवेंशन. क्योंकि जब आपको कोई अटैक करेगा, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई आपको सामने से पकड़ता है, फॉर if somebody holds your both the neck here, okay, this is the सामने वाला होल्ड. किसी ने बोला पैसे निकालो, इवन फॉर बॉयज आल्सो. ये टाइटली आपने ये किया, एंड जैसे ताली से इज लाइक नमस्ते. जैसे आप नमस्ते करते हो ना, लाइक दिस. आपने योगा, अपने नीचे गए, नमस्ते किया, एंड देन go like this. You bend down and then go like this. So आपने पावर से अटैक को हटाना है. Even if somebody holds you, you have to go like this. So example, somebody holds you tightly. You say first, always remember whenever there's attack, always open your leg, bend left and right. Always this. Okay. So somebody is holding you like this. Okay. What you want, and then go. Namaste and okay. You going like this. What is another thing? If somebody, you are like this, you can go like this. So always there's a body movement. But उसके लिए आपको fitness is very important, stamina is very important. क्योंकि आप attack करके भागेंगे, you need stamina to run. First you have to block. So I'll teach you again. First is block. Okay. So block में you are standing like this. You can practice stand like this. All of you, open your legs. Right and left, open your legs. Okay. Block में take a pose like you're dancing. Okay. Assuming you are doing Kathak. One. Okay. So go like this is a block. Go like this. ये पूरा आपने झटका मारना है. Go like this, like you dancing. I did self defense on dance move. So block, attack, and then holding his shoulder and then pulling him down and kick, and then run. I'll repeat with the action. Attack. Okay, see, I was here. Attack. So my hand goes like this. Attack. Now the second hand goes here on the face. So 1, 2, fast. 1, 2, 3. Using his balance and then bringing him down, and then so it's like this. Okay. So we'll repeat. Everybody stands like this. 1. Rahul, आप भी करें so that you can explain. You're standing like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then run. So I think Rahul, over to you. Let me take a sip of water. If you want to add something.
These are very
Rahul,
good.
can you hear me?
Very basic. Yeah, I can hear you. Very good basic techniques. But for this, I think a lot of people, they need to have good energy levels. They need to be running every day, and they need to be physically active. Otherwise, these kind of attacks would happen, and it will be very difficult for anyone to follow your steps. So basic, I think if people are not everyday running, or let's say hitting the gym, or not having good habits, so they should start running every day, build endurance, build physical strength. Only then these steps, I think they will be able to do. If they are not, probably it will be very difficult for them to actually continue and learn any steps that you've been doing.
Right. And somebody is asking the weakest body part. I'll tell you the weakest body part. I'll show you. So if you see this, the body part, this cord is the weakest part. So you just, when you hear, you just, when I said stop, so block and then attack, you can just put the attack here. This part is very soft. You can just bang here. You can put your nose here, and then solar plexus here, or then below the belt is of course, and then there's a part called shin. You can just put it here. This part does the part आप Google कर लीजिए, the part which does not have any nerve, जिसमें waves नहीं होती, that's a very soft part. So ये वाला part, put your, when you block and attack, block and then attack straight here. It goes like this here. You can kill somebody. Then this you can just put it here. आप दोनों उंगलियों को भी इधर डाल देंगे तो person will be of course, and the poke into the eyes. Girls के पास nails होते हैं. Anything you're wearing, even for that matter, I have this watch. I can do self-defense like this. I have this rubber band. You know, I can do the rubber. I can do self-defense with the rubber band. I have only rubber. I said, don't come to me, don't come to me, don't come to me. You know, you have to distract the attacker with the body mechanism. So it's all about your body reflexes and reflections. So if you see the attack, you bend. See, it's like this. Suppose there's something I'm throwing on you, assuming this is attack. Now I will ask all of you, maybe Shruti, you can just see and reply. If I throw this, Rahul, you also, if I'm throwing this, you can see I'm throwing, and then what will you do? आपने क्या किया राहुल?
You take an evasive action like this.
आपने catch किया क्या इसको नीचे bend किया आपने? I'll throw again.
No, I will bend. I won't catch it immediately.
You will bend, right? So it's like a body reflexes. If you see attack, you go left and right, you go left and right, you go left, you down, you. आपने अपने आप को बचाना है. That is all self-defense, body reflexes as per your attack. But उसके लिए राहुल vigilant होना पड़ेगा ना. अगर आप फोन पे busy हैं, सड़क पे you can't be like you're roaming into a house or park. सड़क is the सड़क. Whenever you away from your comfort zone, मैं जब भी इस घर से बाहर निकलूंगी, I have to be very, very vigilant. I have to be very, very sharp. I have to be very, very aware of the situation. That is we call situational awareness. अगर मुझे कहीं बाहर भी जाना है, suppose I'm going to राहुल नोएडा की किसी में जगह पे जा रही हूँ और मुझे वहाँ 6 बजे पहुँचना है किसी ऑफिस में, और मे बी let me ask you, आप किसी से मिलने जाते हैं random and then it's a somebody's place you've never been and you never heard, तो आप पहले क्या क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे, what will be your do's and don'ts before going for a random meeting, maybe random
Before
date
going, yes,
what will be your check?
First of all, I should tell my closest ones that I'm going to this place. There is no need to hide. That is the first thing that I'll do. Second is I'll do a search as to where is this place. Where is this locality, what is the nearest by for this locality, and then come to a conclusion as to whether I need to go there or not, because precaution is always better than cure. So if I do these basic steps, I may avoid something, because I'll figure out there could be a fishy place, or there could be a restaurant which I've been called upon which is not actually working, or which doesn't have a lot of space, or which has very less people who visit. So those are basic steps which will automatically tell you that those locations are not good locations. I should avoid it. Or a society where there are barely any flats.
Okay, thanks Rahul. So somebody is asking how can we save against people. Yeah, Sarika, how are you? She's asking if somebody can people on teasing and misbehaving on road. Again, I said, Sarika, if I look vulnerable or weak target, right? There are two kind of attacker. One, somebody is doing stalking on me. He knows me before, then they're following me. One is a random people. They see a girl who's being see, you can't look like a weak target. As I said, there are two situations. If I'm like this, going like this, right? And if I'm like this, come on, you know. So there's a body language, and as I said, शुरू में हमने बोला था अगर मैं सड़क पे like you know I'm going like a fashion walk, having my best jewelry on, and then maybe nice purse, so I am a wanted person, an easy target. As I said, अगर मैं left पे जा रही हूँ और मेरे bag, chain सबसे मुझे पैसा ही पैसा, so you can't be a vulnerable person. As I said, eve teasing में of course if you don't see the opponent from the front, you can always stop that person with your body language. What? You know, if you're an alert person, then what is enough? Your body language is enough. but the minute you say my god मुझे डर लग रहा है, you're gone. You can't be a weak person, you can't be an ignored person, so you have to be very very smart person when you walk on it. If somebody is misbehaving with you, as I said, when you know somebody is behaving, you don't need to say मैं पुलिस बुला लूंगी. Always keep speed dialing few numbers, which is first number is 1091. Second, you can put those 5 numbers A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, whatever should come on the first. So आप A वाले पे speed dialing पे रख दीजिए 1091. तो जैसे अपने मोबाइल खोला सीधा पुलिस को चला गया. There is no harm calling the police. 1091 is a police helpline. Call the police. Don't say कि मैं पुलिस बुला रही हूँ. And I said create the deterrent. इसलिए मैंने ये ऐप बनाया है. This is my own money which I invested. आप अगर सड़क पे आपको लगता है कोई मिसबिहेव कर रहा है, सॉर्टेड, इसको आप ऑन कर दीजिए और अपना चलते रहिए. तो जब आप इसको ऑन करके चलेंगे किसी को नहीं पता आपने ऑन किया है, बट यस इट्स अ पुलिस सायरन एंड पीपल विल बी फेयरफुल. एंड 1091 जरूर बुलाइए. इफ यू कैन सी दी अपोनेंट यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क व्हाट, बट अगर आपको नहीं पता देन पीछे से अटैक हो जाएगा. सो इफ समबडी इज मिसबिहेविंग, बेटर है यू कॉल द पुलिस फर्स्ट देन यू टेक एक्शन. ये नहीं है कि आपने सी मोस्टली हम लोग का क्या होता है, स्मार्टफोन है, आधी मोबाइल की बैटरी चली गई होती है. सो ऑलवेज कीप वन स्मॉल फोन हैंडी जो कीपैड वाला होता है, जो 1200-1300 रुपए का आता है. उसकी बैटरी भी 20 दिन, क्योंकि जब आप सड़क पे जा रहे हैं राहुल, जब कोई आपको किडनैप करेगा, अटैक करेगा, सबसे पहले जो आपके हाथ का फोन है वो लेके जाएगा. So always keep one small phone handy inside your pocket, inside your purse, inside your whatever you want to keep. Emergency phone जिसको बोलते हैं, क्योंकि स्मार्टफोन की बैटरी सी नॉर्मली डेज राहुल क्या होता है, हम सड़क पे हैं, वी आर ऑन फेसबुक, वी आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, वी आर बिजी इन चेकिंग इन, वी आर क्लिकिंग. मोस्टली लड़कियां क्या करती है, सड़क पे जा रही है, ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है ना, इवन फॉर दैट मैटर ऑल लेडीज व्हेन दे गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी, discotheque or whatever pub, so you know they do, I've seen them, he click picture like they click the selfie like this on the road, wait, okay, and then they are busy posting it on the story first. By the time somebody is already at your bag and then taken your snatch. राहुल आप बताओ, आपने कभी देखा है ऐसा? Have you seen this scenario where all of us?
Yes, I've seen it in front of my eyes itself.
Yeah, so I think all of us, including, I think we all of us become so virtual. हमें लाइफ में बस यही चीजें दिखती है. इवन हम लोग सड़क पे जा रहे हैं तब भी हम व्हाट्सएप पे चैट करते हुए जाते हैं. यू नो आई हैव सीन वी आर गोइंग लाइक दिस, ऑल ऑफ सडन देयर इज अटैक. सो अटैक तो होगा ही ना, जब आप बिजी हैं और सामने से अटैक आएगा आप क्या करोगे? अटैक डज नॉट come like this, it come either random or then planned. So there are two kind of attacker जो ढूंढ रहे हैं weak targets को. And ladies and gentlemen, mind you, in today's scenario, they're smart criminal, they are stalking you on Facebook, social media. आजकल ऐसी चोरियां भी हो रही हैं जो घर में आके बोलते हैं. there was a joke, I think राहुल क्या था वो जोक, जहाँ पे वो बोलता है कि माता जी जो आपको हस्बैंड को किडनैप बांध देते हैं, and then they said कि जो आपके पति ने हीरो का हार दिया था आपकी एनिवर्सरी पे वो भी निकाल के लाओ. then she says कहाँ से पता चला? then he said कि मैडम हम आपके फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स हैं. always be very careful whom you adding. and राहुल आप उस दिन कुछ बता रहे थे कि how the stalker stalks you and how they find you, how they become friendly before they attack you.
एक common mistake हर कोई करता है, because actually you know what, everyone's become so virtual and they think Facebook is the only world that's left for them, or Instagram or whatever. I would request please don't put all personal things on your Facebook as to where you're checking in, where you're eating, where you're going. Please refrain and restrain yourself from doing all that. I think you'll come to know in the long run how much beneficial it is. That's number one. Number two is another mistake that everyone makes is आपके पास एक friend request आती है, आप देखते हो यार 4 common friends हैं, आप accept कर लेते हो, यानी कि ये friend आपका जान पहचान का भी नहीं है लेकिन आप accept कर लेते हो. एक गलती तो ये करते हैं. So please verify before accepting such request, because just because he has common friends with you that means he's also a known person. Please refrain from doing that. This एक चीज और है, आप कभी आप देखते हो अचानक ही आपके पास काफी सारी फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट चालू हो जाती हैं, अचानक ही एक के बाद एक. यानी कि आप हिट लिस्ट में पहुंच रहे हो, स्टॉकर्स के हिट लिस्ट में पहुंच रहे हो, और समवन इज एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट समथिंग, मे बी टू नो यू, मे बी टू हार्म यू, और मे बी टू जस्ट कीप एन आई ओवर यू. दीज आर वेरी बेसिक स्टेप्स. ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड, सडनली अगर आपके पास कई सारी फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट चालू हो गए हैं, यानी कि कहीं ना कहीं पे कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Very basic steps, but 99% of the times people forget to follow.
Great. Okay, Rahul, I think we have 5 minutes left. I'll just take up one question. So Akansh Kapoor is saying that what do we do when we are confronted with a person who has a large weight and strength and on a big quantum, right? Many against one. Okay, so let me just tell you, it's called gesticulation, the big size. See, size basically, if you see a masculine man जिसकी बड़ी बड़ी बाइसेप है, काले से कपड़े, मोटा, does not matter, क्योंकि उनकी जो ताकत है वो यहाँ नहीं होती, सिर्फ यहाँ पे बहुत वीक से होते हैं. राहुल, डू यू एग्री? ये जो बाइसेप होता है लोगों का, सो आई टेल यू उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है. इवन यू हैव अ बाइसेप गाय एंड ही होल्ड्स यू फ्रॉम द बैक, सो ये जो आपकी ये एल्बो है ना, इनकी कभी भी बंद नहीं होती है, राइट? सो instead of banging here, you always try to catch hold here, this part, right? This part. So whenever somebody holds you from here, always remember कि ये जो elbow है कभी भी बंद नहीं होगी because of the weight. So you always have to use this and try to come out. That is one step, because आप body को देख के आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Then as I said, always attack here. If you face that opponent, so you can instead of putting on, if you hit, instead of hitting him on his body, always try to reach this part. And of course, if you suppose he holds you from the back, next अगर आपको वो masculine guy है, I'm sorry I don't have a guy with me right now, suppose he holds you like this tightly, right? Now if you see even the thin or big bicep, this part will not be closed, right? So आपने क्या करना है, let me go पीछे, ये आपको पकड़ा है, आपने हमेशा ये किया, ये जो राइट फुट है आपने कस के लिए पकड़ा है, you can't come out, right? If you have power, so you can do like this, okay? If you can do, of course you said he's a heavy weight, so आपने क्या किया, ये किया, and try to put your finger in the edge of the elbow and this right foot, okay? Take it back and then go like this, okay? Automatically this go. See, these moves I can't teach, but then you have to understand your body mechanism and the body of the opponent. That it's hard to teach, but yeah, you need to understand the basic thing. If somebody holds you like this tightly, ये जो आपका elbow part है कभी भी close नहीं होगा, so you have to try to put your finger here and hang. उसके लिए राहुल ने जैसे बोला, आपकी body में stamina होना बहुत जरूरी है. So that's why. And then when you have many people around you, as I said, if you have purse, just go like this. Even if it's a male guy, you have nothing, you can just go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, because all the people will not attack you at the same time. If you're in the center, all the people will not attack. First one person will attack, so you can do like this, you can do like this, you can bend and try to, जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि सेफ घेरा, राहुल, वो महाभारत में व्हाट वाज द सन जो घेरे के अंदर आया था लेकिन निकल नहीं पाया था, अभिमन्यु. So when you in the घेरा, Anapuja, when you in the घेरा, suppose there is a घेरा, so आपको उस घेरे से ऐसे निकलना है. You have to look for the exit. Okay, fine, okay, fine, and keep looking कि कहाँ से निकलना है आपको. So always presence of mind is important than the body. Body से आप नहीं लड़ पाएंगे. Even I think राहुल, आपके सामने 4 लड़के आ जाएंगे तो आप 10 लड़के आ जाएंगे. What will you do? You'll run away? Fight versus flight, or you will just become Salman Khan or hero?
No. There is no need to become a He-Man and a Batman. It's always better to run away. Look at escape routes. Even though you have a very good body, just never get into all that, because there are 20 hands against just 2 hands of yours.
Yeah, but राहुल, ऐसा होता है ना, देखियो जब आपके साथ कोई लड़की होती है या आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड हुई, आपकी वाइफ हुई, तो आपको लगता है कि आज मुझे पूरा दिखाना है कि आई एम द ही मैन. सो मोस्टली आई हैव सीन कि जब कोई ईगो इशू होता है, जस्ट टू इम्प्रेस हिज गर्लफ्रेंड, विदाउट थिंकिंग कि लेडी साथ में बैठी है, दे विल गेट आउट इन द कार, हाँ भाई क्या है, एंड दे जस्ट स्टार्ट फाइटिंग इट. सो it is a good thing or
It
it's a
it is a
normal?
very bad thing because see, it's a very basic golden rule. If you
Yeah,
are with a female, there is no need to be becoming a bond, okay? Because you are more vulnerable. Reason being is उसको आपको छोड़ के सिर्फ उस लड़की को पकड़ना है, तो आप उसके
yeah.
पैरों पड़ जाओगे
So I
फिर. तो
think,
ही मैन, बैटमैन, सुपरमैन बनने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज योर ब्रेन्स. उस समय अगर आप माफी मांग लोगे ना, तो शायद वो बंदा आपको
हाँ,
छोड़ देगा.
नहीं राहुल, उसमें ये भी कर सकते हैं जो मेरा नॉर्मली मैंने एडवाइस देती हूँ कि उस समय आप अपने ईगो को साइड पे रख के बोले ओके ओके सॉरी सॉरी.
बिल्कुल.
इफ यू फील कि आपको फाइट बैक करना है, आपकी गलती नहीं थी, बट दैट मोमेंट एज राहुल सेड फ्लाइट वर्सेस फाइट, कि आप बोले ओके सॉरी सॉरी, लेट अस गो, चुपचाप से निकल जाए, ड्रॉप योर फीमेल एट सेफ प्लेस. इफ यू वांट टू फाइट, कम बैक एंड देन do the fight if you feel so that you have to fight. All right, thanks Rahul, you really added so much of value. Viewers are really appreciating you being with me moderating, and Rahul is my bunty and I'm bubbly. We always try to host our sessions together because of the understanding of this sessions which we do together. So and Rahul is from RBG Consultant, and I do this for a social cause. Shruti has been very good friend. Thanks to Mandira, thanks to Preet, thanks to Sarika for watching this. And I have an NGO also. Everybody knows me by the name of WESS, and it's so pleasure to see all of you after a long time and doing this session. And thanks Rahul. Let me just take last question from somebody. Yeah, Akansha is saying if senior citizen can do to protect themselves from what's, yeah, again I said that we have to make them mentally very strong. सबसे ज्यादा वल्नरेबल सीनियर सिटीजन होते हैं क्योंकि जब वो घर में है आजकल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे सिनेरियो, वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है, सारे लोग अपने अपने रूम में बिजी हैं, बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हस्बैंड इज वर्किंग, मे बी वर्किंग कपल इज वर्किंग फ्रॉम देयर बेडरूम, फ्रॉम देयर डेस्क, होम फ्रॉम वर्क फ्रॉम होम, किड्स आर स्टडिंग. सीनियर सिटीजन, एल्डर पीपल, वो ड्राइंग रूम में बैठ के अपने टीवी देखते हैं एंड दे कोऑर्डिनेट द मेड्स एंड द धोबी एंड ऑल, एंड दे नीड समबडी टू टॉक. तो ये जो दरवाजे खोलने वाला मैंने बताया था ना राहुल, नॉर्मली क्या होता है, कोई पुराना ड्राइवर आ गया, पुराना धोबी आ गया, एनीबडी दे नो, मेड की मेड आ गई, रेफरेंस की रेफरेंस आ गई, दे विल इनवाइट दैट पर्सन इन द ड्राइंग रूम, डू चिट चैट, एंड देन यू रियली डोंट नो कि किसका दरवाजा किसके लिए खुला है. एंड योर ट्रस्टवर्दी पीपल, मे बी उनको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि इस घर में कभी पैसे आए थे या शादी होने वाली है, या आपकी मेड जो छोड़ के चली गई है उसने देखा आपके घर में ज्वेलरी पड़ी है. You may have an informer knowing that vulnerability and the situation of your house कि पेरेंट्स तो ड्राइंग रूम में बुला के चाय पिलाते हैं. So ये सिचुएशन आपको हमेशा इंस्ट्रक्शन देनी है अपने घर में while you working from home कि without your permission nobody will open the door. Try to keep one छोटी सी जो चटकनी होती है ना, that small window, डोर के अंदर लोहे का डोर होता है, उसमें एक छोटी सी विंडो होती है, open that, take the courier, take the packet from there, don't open the entire door. तो नॉर्मली घरों में दो डोर होते हैं, जैसे मेरे घर में लकड़ी का डोर है, एक लोहे का भी डोर है, उसके अंदर एक विंडो बना लीजिए, दिस इज कॉल्ड दैट स्क्वायरल विंडो, छोटी वाली विंडो, उसको खोल के आप सारा सामान लीजिए. एंड ऑलवेज ensure that kids are not opening the door. When you set up your work from home station, always keep your child safety on the top, elder safety on the top, क्योंकि जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं आपका ध्यान अपनी कॉल्स में होता है, आपकी मीटिंग्स में होता है, तो try to keep all the breakfast, lunch and everything on the reachable desk or the table where your child can reach and take his or her food. You are elderly, so ये home safety भी, Shruti, I think we should do home safety session also, because हमारे घर में क्या होता है कि पूरी तारें फिली बैठी होती हैं, कॉर्ड निकल रही है, यू नो, वीजा वर्सा, लाइक सारी सब कुछ, बिकॉज मेस है आज की डेट में. सो we I think need to end, Rahul, this session. It's been already 1 hour, and viewers, you can always download the app MSMR, My Security My Responsibility. प्ले स्टोर में जाके it's a free of cost app है, आप उसको फ्री में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. गूगल माई नेम, इंडियाज फर्स्ट फीमेल बॉडीगार्ड वीना गुप्ता, आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरी एनजीओ की, देयर इज अ सेफ्टी बुक आल्सो, MSMR, डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. एंड राहुल, यू कैन गिव योर पेज इंट्रोडक्शन, what causes you look after, so that we can say thanks and bye to all of you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Veena. Before I say everything, I'll just request everyone, just give yourself every day at least half an hour so that you can improve your agility, flexibility. Do start doing some runs, because whatever steps Veena had taught about over here today, for them to be practicably practiced, you need to have agility and flexibility in your body. Automatically, that will build your endurance and stamina and health. Okay, that's number one. Number two is at home, uh, your parents old age have phones. Put them on fast dialing number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It could be your number, it could be your close friend's number, so that instantly, and teach them that this is what they need to do, this number, this number, this number. Just, you can automatically feed it at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's number two. What all we do is, we do a lot of consulting of different sorts, bearing from agriculture products, that's Jaggery, bearing from home automation and interiors, and we do a lot of activities
Social
with
events, yeah.
you as well, and social events that we do with a lot of companies. So over to you, Veena.
So thanks, Rahul. Thanks very much. And I wanted to, since we could not see the participant, but next time when we do the event, as Rahul said, we do organic jaggery and the pepper spray. So Shruti, you can let me know how many pepper spray and the jaggery you want for the winners, whoever has asked most of the questions. So Rahul, how many packets? I think 30 packets of good you can give.
Yes,
Okay,
sure.
so we have in-house jaggery, which is organic good you can find on RVG page, and we have a pepper spray. So I think the question answer I'll count, and Shruti, you can just write down to me or to Rahul that how many packets of gift we have to give to the winner. And with this, thanks very much. Stay safe and stay alert. And you can always call me any help you want, any support you want. My number is easily available on Google, and download this app. It has a small clips of e-learning how to do these steps, and what I have taught you in the app. It has a Word file which does not require any internet connection. So the police buzzer, self defense moves, and the tips, it's a Word file, free of cost. You can download, you can use this app. It's for the cost, it's my own money, but I want all of you to use it. And it has a direct number to dial police 1091. It has two number which you can save if you're in a trouble. You press the button, your location can be sent to your near and dear one जो नंबर आपने सेव किए हैं. With this, thank you very much. Stay tuned, stay safe. Jai Hind. Rahul, you can just say thanks and we'll close.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, lovely viewers. We will again reconnect over here very soon. With this time, we'll actually add another competition also, so we can give a lot of freebies as well.
Yeah, I think
and once again, it was lovely.
Yeah, we'll add Rahul की legal questions हमने बताए नहीं. Anyway, I'll just top up. आप अपने इंडियन पिनल कोड 1860 गूगल कर लीजिए, आपको वुमेन के सारे राइट्स मिल जाएंगे. What rights you have as a woman, crime against women, even the crime against men. So we take care of the safety of men also. जब भी किसी आदमी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, you can always call me or Rahul. We will advise you your best. And thank you very much. I'll just end the session now. Thanks, Rahul, very much for co-hosting this session. Thanks, Shruti. Thanks, Mandira. Thanks, Preet. Thanks, Sarika. Thanks, all the viewers. Thanks, Rajiv. And thanks, my boss is also watching me, Mr. Rao, and my buddy Rajendra is also there. I'm from the hotel industry, so all the high buddies are here. They're saying, wow, superb session. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Oof. हाँ कर दिया सेशन ऑफ, कर दिया लाइव एड, नहीं एड कर दिया, इट सेज योर लाइव वीडियो हैज एंडेड। हाँ वो हो जाता होगा, मैं एंड कर देती हूँ, कैमरा लव्स मी इसलिए मैं क्या करूँ मैंने तो एंड कर दिया मेरे सेशन ऐसे ही होते हैं नहीं नहीं अच्छा, अरे यार मैंने तो सेशन ऑफ किया है, रुक जाओ लेट मी सी, वो या तो राहुल होगा, मैं बंद कर लेती हूँ यार लैपटॉप, एक मिनट।